Aslam-o alaikum, do you know? Sana Makki, Senna. The herb mentioned in Tibb-e-Nabawi is not only a natural laxative but also a powerful homeopathic remedy for stomach and liver problems. It's very useful in infant colic, when babies' stomachs fill with gas and they cry due to pain. Helps in constipation with colic and flatulence, relieves hard stools, stomach cramps, and excessive gas. It improves weak digestion, removes coated tongue, bad taste in the mouth, and loss of appetite. It supports in oxaluria, a condition where oxalate salts pass in urine, which may cause kidney stones. It's helpful in acetonemia, when extra acids, ketones, build up in the blood, leading to weakness, nausea, and fainting. It's beneficial for enlarged liver, when the liver becomes swollen and tender, causing heaviness, pain, or poor digestion. In homeopathy, Senna can uses in 30 potencies, 8 to 10 drops twice a day for 3 days, after then twice a week or when needed. Senna, Sunnah ka nuska bi hai, aur modern homeopathy ka ilaj bi. Sparkles. Subscribe, like and share.